Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chalo Maths Padhane. Dear students, today we have a question. Question is of inverse trigonometric function. We have to find the domain of an inverse trigonometric function. Given question is find the domain of function fx equals to cos inverse 4x minus 5. This is the given question and we have to find its domain. To find the domain of this function, what we will do? We know that the domain of cos inverse x is closed interval minus 1 to 1, right? Therefore, we take here 4x minus 5 belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1, right? Belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. It means 4x minus 5 is greater or equal to minus 1, but it is less than or equal to 1. Okay. To find the domain of this function or any function, we find the values of x for which the given function is defined, right? So we find here single x, okay, and for this we add 5 in these terms, then we get here 4 less or equal to 4x, and here less or equal to 1 plus 5, this is 6. Okay, now to find here single x, we divide here by 4, then we get 1 less or equal to x less than or equal to 6 by 4, this is 3 by 2. Okay, it means x belongs to where? Closed interval 1 to 3 by 2, right? It means this is the domain of given function. Here we write dom f equals to what? This is closed interval 1 to 3 by 2. Closed interval 1 to 3 by 2. This is the